Hi guys, welcome to today's video, and we're gonna be unboxing a really cool mask today. I'm so excited to show you guys. And yeah, are you feeling today's look? This is from me, my shop, Horror Candy. This is the Happy Bunny. The pink one is so cute. Further ado, no more rambling. Let's get it on with the fucking box. Get it on with the box. I didn't mean to say that. Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys get the first look. Is she cute? I'm scared. I'm sorry to every serious person in the freaking Ghostface community. Collector Douglas, upset, disappointed me. I can already feel everybody disowning me. Okay, I'm closing my eyes. Luckily the mask itself got protected by my legs. So you guys are gonna get the first look. Oh my gosh, I feel it open. Is she cute? I call all my masks she. They slay all the house down boots. Okay, is she cute? I'm so excited. I'm gonna open my eyes. Bruh. Okay, so this is the Ghostface Santa Clause Mask. This is a brand new item made by Funworld. I did get my copy off Amazon, so if you're a serious collector or buyer, I would highly suggest checking out your local Halloween stores, your mom and dad, and your mom and pop Halloween stores, because the packaging in this one is pretty rough. But you know me, I don't give I just like to collect cute masks, and this is so freaking exciting. Oh my goodness. I was not expecting the Santa hat. Okay, I was not expecting for the Santa ghost face mask to come in a box. This is like new to me. I've never had anything like this. I think another thing that's kind of like in the box would be the 25th anniversary set. And I'm not like any other collector. I'm not gonna keep this in the box. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna try it on. Mint condition. I'm gonna try it on. This is what we do on my channel. We like to make other serious collectors upset by me opening things. Also the box is kind of damaged, so it's okay. So I think this is such a really cool concept. The minute I saw this, it kind of reminded me of Terrifier 3, where Art the Clown is dressed up as Santa Claus. No, I have not seen it. Comment down below if I should do a movie review on it. But so far I haven't seen it. But like, isn't it like coincidence? Like, isn't it like weird timing with Terrifier 3? It's like tis the season of the slashers. Is Art the Clown a slasher? I don't know, but this is so fucking cool. I'm gonna do some up closes of the box. It came damaged. It came in a really nice big box, but it came damaged. For the price that I paid, I can't complain. I will be putting the link in the description to where I got this from in Amazon. And yeah, hopefully you guys can find it any other place. But I think this is such a cool fucking concept. Like, I don't think it was properly secured. Like, I don't know if this was my doing where the box came open right here. I'm trying to close it. Okay, close it. This is the back. It's so freaking cool. I know in 25 years my collection is gonna be like, damn, I was that bitch. This is so cute. I just like the feeling of the packaging. I really like it. Sadly there is damages to it. Mine is not in mint condition, but you know what, I at least can say I have a Christmas ghost face mask. So cool. My box came broken, so come on, we're gonna open her up. We're gonna, oh, there's a fishnet on the Santa Claus here. Honestly, I don't like this plastic because by just grabbing it slightly kind of bends the plastic. So serious collectors, that's something you guys gotta be aware of. It smells like vanilla. Oh my gosh, it has that classic vanilla scent. This is so amazing. We're gonna, I'm scared. Is it connected to something? Oh my gosh, it's like, yeah, do you have one of those toys that's connected to the back? That's what this feels like. So this is the box by itself. I'm gonna sell this for $400 on eBay. I find it funny when people sell like packaging by itself. I knew it, I was correct. The mask is connected to this piece of cardboard. Okay, so this is, I don't know how I'm gonna the hat is long. I like the hat. So the wig is like sewn into the mask. This mask smells like freaking don't have piercings, guys. Oh my god, this video is so chaotic already. This is what I get for sniffing masks. Oof. I'll sell this for like $600 as my DNA. Oh hell no, let me hold on. Don't have piercing size. Claws in it. I don't know if it's mold. I'm gonna film some up closes and that'll be for today's video. But other than that, from what I see, it just looks like a regular like EU term. It looks like an EU mask. There is some flaws in the mask. I really don't care about the flaws, but I know some serious collectors are gonna be nitpicking. The beard is like sewn into the mask. It's just synthetic hair wrapped around the lunch lady's hairnet. The bottom of it says Easter Unlimited ink, made in China. And this one does have like the protector thing. Like the beard is wrapped around the freaking lunch thing. But there's no tag from what I can see. All the collectors are hating me right now. Like, I just know you guys hate me. But yeah guys, that was today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a like. If you like my video so far, or if you've liked this video so far and haven't subscribed to my channel, I highly suggest you subscribe. I've been really good at posting like frequently new mask videos, and by you subscribing and you watching, you're supporting me into like keeping up with the videos, growing my channel. We're almost at 3K. Can we get to 3K by the end of the year? That'd be amazing. I just want to say thank you guys so much for your support, and may you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Cute Horror, my TikTok at Cute Horror, and also my shop Horror Candy, where I make necklaces like this. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and may you have a spooky season. Ew, that was corny. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you till the next video. Bye.